Hi, okay, this is lab number 7. It has to do with selective and differential media. So what we're going to be doing today is we've got 4 different plates, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be streaking on the bacteria, because if you remember from lecture, remember selective media allows you to choose a certain thing. They usually have chemicals in there that kills off what you don't want to grow. So selective media. Remember differential media, if you remember from lecture, when the bacteria grow, they look different from each other. Different color, different shape, something like that. So in order to test the plates, we're not really testing the bacteria today, we're testing the media. So we're going to take these 4 plates. I've got them here. They're called different ones, blood agar, etc. In fact, here's what they are. There's an EMB plate, a McConkey agar, mannitol salt, and blood agar. You're going to take those 4 plates, turn them over, divide them. The bacteria that's going on, you're going to use 2 gram positive and 2 gram negative. And then next week when they grow, depending on which can grow and which can't grow, you're going to decide what kind of media it is. So like for example, let's say next week you look at it and the gram negatives grew, but the gram positives didn't grow. So that right there, that would be a hint that it's a selective media. It's selecting just for the gram negative. So what I want you to do, because we're putting 4 on one plate, we're not going to do a streak plate. Instead, we're using Staph aureus. You dip into Staph aureus, just do a little squiggle and a couple of dots, because we just don't have room. So go ahead and do that. The same 4 bacteria go on the same 4 plates. We have Staph aureus, S. faecalis, those are both gram positive. For our gram negatives, we have E. coli and E. aerogenes. So I'm going to go ahead and spread the bacteria on, not on camera, as I just showed you that before, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to zig the bacteria on there, on the slides. After they grow, on the plates, after they grow, I'll show you a picture of the finished product. And then you decide if they're selective or differential.